Got the dash out of there. It's always fun taking something out when you've never done it before. It takes a while to figure it out without tearing things up or bending things or breaking things. But finally got it. Whoever fixed this car to sell it, I think they just did a wham bam thank you ma'am job on it to make some quick money on it. Because it doesn't look like much of anything was sanded. There are some things are sanded, but most of it's not. It just got painted over. Fish eyes everywhere. I'm trying to get the top side. Got all the dash and the spaghetti of wires out of there and all the wiring that was done. There's some wires on the wiring harness that was cut almost all the way through. And then another wire, I don't know what all it went to, an alarm system or something, was just spouted all around there. It wasn't soldered, no tape on it, nothing. And the insulation where a black and a red wires right next to each other, it melted, because that one wire was almost cut all the way through, so it wasn't getting, the amperage it needed through the whole wire. It was going through a few strands. It was really overheating it. So whoever was driving this car before got lucky it didn't catch on fire. But I got the windshield wiper motors out because they were really close down to here, and you can see where the person that painted it before didn't get paint on it. It started rusting. So I took them out, that way I can get it all done. Like I've said before, my goal is to change the color on this, and you'll have to look really hard to tell that it didn't come from the factory painted, the E7 burnished red metallic. Whew. Oh. Been out here since 9 p.m. last night. It's after 6 a.m. this morning. So I'm going to call it quits for today.